This is a final video to make your desktop icon text black and easy to read in Windows 11, and it's simpler than you think. Are you tired of struggling with icons that blend into your wallpaper or fade into the background? This happens because Windows 11 sometimes uses light text on certain backgrounds, making it hard to see. Most solutions you find online are long, confusing, and involve tweaking multiple settings that don't always work. But on Rexish, I'll show you a secret trick that fixes it in just a few clicks. All you need is a simple setting adjustment that changes the icon text color to black or adds a clear shadow, making every label perfectly readable no matter your wallpaper. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly where to click, comment below and I'll make it for you.